If I may ask, are you available within the next 2 hours?
Okay, guys, let's call Lasisi.
Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening.
How are you today, sir? My name is Dr. Kola Osho Daniels.
Thank you.
Hello?
You're what? Yeah, I
Dr.
can hear
Kola
you.
Osho Daniels.
Okay.
Chief,
Hello, good evening.
good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine.
Is this Mr. Lasisi?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm calling in relation of a evacuation order to bring you to the isolation center, sir.
Calling who?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you
Okay.
perfectly.
Let me put you up to speed. We have a patient here we are working with at the moment, and while we were doing some investigation, we are trying to do some contact tracing. She claims to have been in contact with you recently, so we're just taking precautions um, to bring you over to the isolation center for further
Who
investigation.
is the who is the patient?
That is confidential, sir.
I don't understand. First you give me corona, now tell me the test.
Probably when you get here, you will identify the person, sir. But this is just precautionary measures.
I see.
Yes, sir. So please, can I have a few information if you don't mind?
Like what?
Your full name, your blood group, genotype, and that's all. And if you have any symptoms are sneezing, coughing.
As I'm talking to you right now, I'm eating jollof rice. I'm
Oh,
very fine.
oh, that's a good sign. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Your blood group, sir.
I don't even know my blood group. I don't know my genotype. I'm talking to you, my brother.
Wow.
I
Okay.
would like to
All right, sir.
I swear.
Okay. Can we just have the full name,
Lasisi Elenu is the phone.
sir?
Lasisi Elenu.
Okay. Um, and we also would like to send the crew over. We don't know where exactly you are. Is it possible to come pick you up right away, sir, within the next 2 hours?
No, can't come with. I'm actually not available right now. I'm on the movie set.
Okay, sir.
And I start giving everybody corona. That's what it means, have you?
Well, it depends on how frequent you have been on that particular location, sir.
I've
Um,
been hugging people here.
okay. We would like to recommend that you maintain social distancing and hydrate a lot. But we would also like to make sure we send a crew over to come and take further investigations. Yes, sir. The crew to just for further investigation, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So can you please provide your location and when exactly we can come around, sir?
I will send you a text message, sir.
How soon will this be, sir?
As soon as I get off the call.
Okay, sir. There will be a follow-up call tomorrow morning, sir.
Okay.
While we await your text message, sir. So in the meantime, please maintain social distancing. Take a lot of water. If you have access
How
to
can I
food,
myself right down? I'm on movie set. I've been hugging people.
please, this is personal responsibility, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
No,
Please maintain social distancing. If you have access to fruits, please take fruits. We'll be expecting your text message, sir, and there will be a follow-up call also, sir.
no.
All right,
Well,
sir. Have a wonderful
you know
evening,
that.
sir.
I say, listen, if you cannot tell somebody who you were recently in contact with, so the person can know them,
Um,
it's an amazing
we're sorry, sir, but it is beyond our ethics. It's just our ethics. The patient is right here with us. You know, it's just beyond our ethics to reveal patient confidentiality.
Ethics. So,
Yes, sir. So,
well,
all right, sir. And what area are you exactly, sir?
I'm in Lagos.
And which area in Lagos, sir? So, okay, sir. All right, sir. We'll be expecting a text message and also get a follow-up call.
Oh, yeah, no.
All right, sir.
Oh, yeah, no, no, well.
All right.
Okay, guys, so I called him. You all.
Can you fuck off?
Lasisi guy who next. He doesn't want. Okay, we're gonna call somebody else.
Momo man.
I still like trouble.